the quiet sky, gentle echoes in the open air, like a secret melody they share.
Perched together where the breezes play, finding comfort in a simple day. Every note a promise, soft and true, carried forward in a sky of blue. Lovebirds on the fence singing clear, harmony rising when both are near, holding close while the world drifts by. Two small voices lifting to the sky.
Between the earth and flight, sharing warmth that keeps the world bright. Side by side in an easy sway, choosing presence in a tender way. Whispers floating where the sunlight bends, showing how connection gently mends. Breathing softly in a peaceful tune, hearts aligned beneath the silver moon. Lovebirds on the fence singing clear, harmony rising when both are near, holding close while the world drifts by. Two small voices lifting to the sky.